In this video, I will show you how to fix notes disappearing automatically on iPhone after your last iOS update. So after your last iOS update, you are facing some notes are automatically deleting or not showing in your Notes app. Here's how to fix it. The first solution is you can check your recently deleted folder in your Notes to get back the deleted note. To do that, from your Notes app, tap on this folders icon and here tap on recently deleted, and here you'll find all of your deleted notes. Now from here you can easily restore any note app, and that's how you can fix this problem. And the second solution is go to your iPhone settings and now tap on general, tap on iPhone storage here, and here scroll down and find out the Notes app, tap on that, and now you have to offload the Note app. So tap on Offload app and then tap on reinstall, and the app Notes app will be reinstalled. And then go ahead and check the issue. And the next solution is if you've used your iCloud account to upload your notes and you accidentally turn off your notes option in iCloud settings, then you won't get any notes from iCloud. To fix this error, go to your settings app, tap on your name, tap on iCloud, tap on see all next to save to iCloud, and here you'll find notes. Just tap on that and make sure to sync notes on iPhone is enabled, and after that you should see all of your notes. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.